he started the first rally. He was very scared. He started to read pace note, not the first, but the second. And we started to drive, and I looked something not right. My name is Jānis Dūcis. How do you see on the window on the Subaru? I am a rally driver, maybe 15 years driving the rally, and this is my last car who I built. We started with the autocross with the Lada, and we put in the Lada engine of Audi, and then I bought the Audi. And first my rallying career started to drive with the Audi Coupe Quattro, and that's my first car in the rallying. And I started competitive, and first rallying I take first place with this car. I'm very happy for that. But this year I take the champion with the Audi. And then one more year I drive with this Audi, and then I bought the Mitsubishi EVO 8. I built it, the Mitsubishi EVO 8, and I started to drive with the Mitsubishi EVO, and I feel that this car is more steeper on the road and to the control, and I very like it, and I stay with the EVO 8 and the Mitsubishi. I drive with the Mitsubishi EVO all my career, and that's like I think 10 years, and EVO 8, EVO 9, EVO 10, and I see this Subaru, and I think I need to maybe try it to the Subaru, but I need to make Subaru for me. We drive some tests, and the engine blow off on the road, and much of fire, and we need to change the engine. I started to calculate with the good turbo engine is very expensive. I think maybe we can do to the atmospheric engine of the Subaru Outback. I bought the car of England with the 3 liters atmospheric engine, 6 cylinders, boxer type. We take from this car and put there, not so much to rebuild for put there. If you need to drive in the races with this car, we need to build some roll cages. Yes. The roll cage build company is Šimkus Racing. I think he do very good job. We need some seats, we need some hood latches, we need underneath fans or covers. I don't know how to tell that. Some small things you need, but if you need to start to drive, it's very not expensive. With this car we have 3 wings, one in the winter and 2 in the summer, in this class. I think to sell it. The last time we drove with this car in the 2018, and last year I don't drive with this car because many of things to do in the work, and then no time to race. For me maybe a little bit too slow this car, but drive and I like it, and nothing bad to say. And in this competition for the atmospheric engine, 3 liters, there is 270 horsepower. That is enough for competing, for starting to run. I started with this car to the new co-pilot. He never drove in the rally. He need to write my pace notes and to learn pace notes, and learned him to how to do that. When we start the first rally, he was very scared. I told him, okay, I'm the professional, no problem. If you do not good, so no nervous. But he's very nervous, and we started to driving, and he started to read pace notes from another pace note, not the first but the second, and we started to drive, and I looked something not right. And, I learned him, and then a little bit later it was all okay. His pace note is good to read, and some problems we have, but that is not so bad. Now everything is okay with him. He's alive. I think he very liked it, and he wanted to drive more and more, but this is very expensive, and we ended to drive in last year. This is my own service, car service, and there's we build the sports car and repair the stock cars, and this is my hobby. I do something with the cars, I like it, and the people feel that, I think so, and come to us to repair some cars, and sports cars and stock cars. I'd like to prefer the sports cars, but in the Latvia sports cars not so many, and we need to repair the stock cars. We try to do so in the highest quality. I look myself all the works who we do, and I try to drive myself to test cars, and I think with my experience I feel that something not wrong or right or wrong, and my racing experience helps in the stock cars and rallying cars, and most of things in the work in my workshop.